One thing about table saws, they tend to collect a lot of stuff to the right of the fence. Well, we've got a great project for you that'll take care of a lot of that. It's this table saw organizer from Woodsmith. It's got some good features to it. Let's take a look inside. Inside the door, you've got a pocket here which will hold 2 inserts for your table saw and place for 2 of your most popular blades. But open up the panel and there's more storage inside. We've got room for your dado stack, extra blades, and some washers for your dados. In addition to all this saw blade storage, we have some shelves for miscellaneous things like the remote to the dust collection system and some pegs for your earmuffs, the wrench, and so forth. It's an easy project, it's a fun build, and a great addition to your shop, and you'll find it in Woodsmith.